Ncert Solutions Chapter number 4 Quadratic Equations Exercise 4.3 Question number 8. The problem is a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So we can start this. Let speed of train equal to x km per hour. Now train travels 360 km. So we can find time taken by train to cover 360 kilometers equal to 360 divided by x hours. This is because time is equal to distance divided by speed. We can also find time taken by train to cover 360 kilometer if speed is 5 km per hour more. That would be equal to 360 divided by x plus 5 hours. If the speed is 5 km per hour more, then the speed would be x plus 5 km per hour and the time would be 360 divided by x plus 5. So we have two times now, 360 divided by x plus 5 and 360 divided by x. It's given to us that this time here is less than this time. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less. So this time is less than this time. So to make them equal, we will add 1 to the left hand side. This is because they are saying that it would have taken 1 hour less. So the difference between these times, this time and this times, is 1 hour. And it's given that this time is less. So we will add 1 to the left hand side. Now we will solve this quadratic equation. We will make quadratic equation first, then we will solve it. I'll just keep this one to the left hand side and I will bring other term to the right hand side. And this is equal to 1 equal to 360 would be common. I get 1 over x here minus 1 divided by x plus 5 equal to 360. Now x times x plus 5 is the LCM here to solve this square brackets, and I get x plus 5 at the top minus x, which is equal to 360. This x and x gets cancelled. 5 divided by x times x is x square and x times 5 is 5x. So I have here equation 1 equal to 360 times 5 divided by x square plus 5x. Now I can cross multiply. If I cross multiply, I get x square plus 5x equal to 360 times 5. 360 times 5 is 1800. I can take this 1800 to the left hand side. So I get here something like x square plus 5x minus 1800 equals 0. This is quadratic equation. Now we will solve it. Let's suppose that we want to solve it using quadratic formula. So we will compare this given quadratic equation, the general quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If we compare both of them, we get a equal to 1, b equal to 5 and c equal to minus 1800. And quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and it's equal to minus b. Minus b is minus 5 plus minus square root of minus 5 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is minus 1800 divided by 2a, 2 times 1. It's equal to minus 5 plus minus square root of minus 5 square is 25, and 18 times 4 is 72, and I get 7200 here. 4 times 1800 is 7200, divided by 2 times 1 is 2. So we get here minus 5 plus minus square root of 7225 divided by 2 here, and square root of 7225 is 85. You will check it and it comes out 85, and divided by 2 here. So value of x is equal to minus 5 plus 85 divided by 2, and minus 5 minus 85 divided by 2. So from here we get 85 minus 5 is 80 divided by 2. From here we get minus 90 divided by 2. So value of x from here is 45, and from here we get 40, sorry. From here we get 40. From here we get minus 45. We discard this value because speed cannot be negative. So we just consider this value 40. So x is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. It means that speed of train which we supposed equal to x is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. So this is the solution of this given problem. In the next video we will cover question number 9, chapter 4, quadratic equations, exercise 4.3. See you guys.